In this video, we will learn about a particular Excel function, that is subtotal. Subtotal is a ninja, you can say. It is just a single formula and it can do multiple calculations. You can see it can do average, count a, max, mean, product, standard deviation, and sum. Even variance can be calculated. So it is just a one formula and it can give you multiple calculations. And there's one more thing that is more important here, is it can help us in some new way of giving the values. We will see it later. So let us start that how some subtotal works. So basically after writing subtotal, we can see that different values comes. Like I have to take average. So I will write this number. If count, then 2, then count a, then 3, max for max 4, mean for 5. So let's suppose that I will sum the values. So I will write 9. After writing this value, then give a comma, then it asks for reference. So you can select any value, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever you wanted to say. Just do that and then it gives me 2246. If I will count from here to here, it gives me 2246. You can see this sum. So likewise, sometimes when we are creating a report, we can say that this is sum, this is average, this is count, and this is count A. And we'll just copy this formula, just one formula, and change the value. For average, I think it is 1, for 2, and for this 3. So you can see it is so easy to use this formula and it will give multiple different conditions. I was discussing about something specific for this formula also. So that is that whenever we will select any of this value, it will give the summary of that particular selection only. So I have taken here sum, average, and count. You can see the formula. So it is 9, 1, and 2. Now let's suppose that I will select just Panasonic. Here right now the values are 2246, 4492, and 50. As soon as I will select just Panasonic, I see these values got changed. Is not it very amazing? Yes. Now these calculations are based on just these three values. So let's see. If I will do the sum, it is 141, which is here. The count is 3. Now this is average 47. Likewise, you can change the value like Pentex. The value got changed here also. Sanyo, the value got changed here. Even we can select multiple condition. The values change accordingly. Even for the Fuji, the values were 441. Sum. If I will select only Japan, it will give me for values of Japan only. So you can see that this is so useful. to use this formula. It is very helpful. Thank you for watching.